So here you will enter your keyword. So for me, into 7-second faceless reel script. If you're working a full-time job, then you're already exhausted by the time you sit down at your computer, right? You do not have 8 hours daily to build an online business. You probably have just 2 hours. And that's what I am going to talk about while using TikTok to actually sell whatever that you want. If you're doing affiliate marketing, it doesn't matter if you're doing those e-com thing, right? TikTok affiliate shop thing, or if you're selling high ticket sales at anything coaching services or whatever. If you follow the strategy that I'm going to show you, then you will be getting consistent traffic even if you're just working 2 hours, and you'll be able to make sales and commissions. Now in this video, I'm going to specifically talk about the high ticket sales or the normal affiliate link sales that you normally do, which includes sales funnels and such, right? TikTok shop doesn't have that, but still the strategy where I will show you how to find content, how to create content properly in just 120 minutes. It will be basically the same and you will be able to make sales that way. So yeah, continuing, if you have just 2 hours a day and if you try to build those complex sales funnels, right, or write those 30-day email sequence, or maybe figure out those tech integrations, you're actually going to burn out. You're actually going to sad before you even make your first dollar. So that's exactly why I'm going to give you the 2-hour routine that will build your business, build your following, get that views and get those sales. First of all, we are going to cross all the technical heavy lifting off your to-do list and use those 2 hours of yours to get high quality traffic using a simple 4-step framework. And this is gonna be AI powered. Don't worry, you don't have to buy any subscription. And if you choose to do so, you do not even have to show your face. I'm gonna talk more in detail about everything. So there are only 2 parts of online business. Number 1 is creation and number 2 is conversion. Creation is driving traffic and conversion is the funnels, the emails, everything that actually makes you money, that actually closes the sale and makes you commissions. Now here's the truth. Building a high converting funnel, writing those weeks can actually take weeks of testing. It requires copywriting skills, it requires design skills, it requires tech setups, and if you only have just 2 hours, then you absolutely cannot afford to do this, right? And since you cannot afford to do that, you have to outsource the conversion thing, right? You have to find something that does the job for you and only focus on the creation phase, that is getting eyeballs to your stuff, getting traffic. And here is how you are going to exactly do that in 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. So first of all, our main strategy is, of course, we are going to use TikTok, and then you can actually upload that same reels to Insta, to Facebook, to YouTube Shorts, everywhere, right? Multiple platforms. You do the work once, upload it to multiple platforms, multiple eyeballs, right? These are eyeballs, right? These are eyes. Okay, whatever. You get the point. So let's do the 4-step framework, and that is minute 1, right? Minute 0 to 15 minutes. And it will be the first phase, that is the research phase. And here you will not be guessing what is going viral, what is getting views. You will simply do these simple steps. You will go and open TikTok. I will actually show you how to do this once I talk about this, right? So open up TikTok and then type in your niche keyword, like whatever niche you are in, just type in niche keyword in the search bar and find few videos that has done extremely well, right? Extremely well in recent times. So for this, use the filter options, and you can even use the last 6 months, last few days, last month, this month, and just filter out these videos and save them, right? And save them so that you can come back to it later on. Once you save them, right, what you need to do is you need to go back. So you found few videos now, right? You found few videos now, right? And you saved it. Now what you need to do is you need to go and click to the profile, click the profile of each video that you found. Now, if the views of that particular video, that particular reel is higher than the amount of followers that they have. So for example, they have 1,000 followers, but the views, they got about 30,000 views, or 70,000 views for that particular reel, then you can easily model that. That is your outlier, right? That is your outlier, and you will find few videos, like 3 to 4 videos in those 15 minutes. It's pretty easy to do. I will show you in a sec. And once you save them, once you understand them, now you have the source where you can actually model it, right? You can model it, there's no space here, so you can actually model it in your style, in your topic, and just create content. So you're basically working on the videos that is actually proven to work. All right, I hope you're getting me. Now let me show you how that works. Hey, so this is my another device where I have set up my TikTok account. Well, in India, TikTok is kind of banned, and I have used a different device and VPN and on all sorts of shenanigans to actually set this up on my screen. But if you're from USA, UK, then you can simply do this, no problem at all, right? So anyway, what you need to do is you need to click, on this search icon, and this is the research phase, right? So here you will enter your keyword. So for me, it's affiliate marketing, so AFF. So affiliate marketing should already show up. Affiliate marketing for beginners, affiliate program, whatever. Yeah, if you're running affiliate TikTok shop, you can click on it, right? If you have a coaching business about affiliate TikTok shop, then you can do it. Now we will click on videos. Once you do that, you will see all these videos that has done well, right? So let it load, as you can see right there. But we will use the filter option here. So click on filter, and at the bottom you should see the filter. Filter has come up, and the date posted you can do past 24 hours, this week, this month, last 3 hours, last 6 months, right? I will do last 3 months for recency. And you will find all these videos. Let it load. You will find all these videos that has done well and that has gained most amount of views for last 3 months, right? And for example, this one, she has about 11k views, 11.5k likes, right? So I can open that up and see her profile, right? Click on this button here, and you will see she has about only 6,000 followers, and the video that we have watched has about 11,000 only views, right? Only likes, right? So that's actually pretty good. And if you go and sort it out by most popular, you will see all the most popular viewed videos that she has. All right, and you can see 71k views. So this video has done pretty well, and her growth has come from this video. So we can actually model this, we can actually analyze this video exactly using AI. All right, we are back. So first 15 minutes is the research phase. Now minute 15 to 45 will be your second phase, and that would be the AI rewrite. So for example, you actually already got that reel that has already done well, the proven one, right? Now what you will do is you will go ahead and get the transcript of that particular reel, right? I will show you in a minute how to do that too. So once you got that transcript, you will use the help of AI. For example, ChatGPT. You can use any AI tool that you want, and you will feed that transcript to AI, and you will enter a specific prompt to convert that exact transcript to your topic, to your personal script that you're going to do for a reel, right? For a TikTok reel or an Insta reel. Let me just show you how to do that quickly. So now what we will do is we will click on the share icon here, and we will just copy link. All right, copy link. Now we will go to Google Chrome in here, my Chrome. Let me open that up, and we will fetch the transcript, right? So TikTok video transcription free. That's what I have typed in here. I will go to the first website, all right? And now I have to just paste my link in here. So I will paste that link of TikTok, and then I will just click on download. All right. And now I will let it process, and it's done. So you can see the transcript right here. That's pretty good. So what we'll do is we will copy. You see this icon here, little icon that after the download icon, before the download icon. So I will click on it, and you can see copied, right? The whole transcript has now been copied. Now what you need to do is now you can go to your favorite app, to your ChatGPT. I will actually give this prompt to you if you want to read it. It's very nice prompt. You can see, you are an award-winning organic TikTok expert. You will help me create the faceless reels that will stop people from scrolling and help me get leads and sales to my affiliate marketing business. I'll be finding outlier reels and will feed you with the transcript of those, and you will deeply analyze each of the hooks, the script, to understand why it did well and modify it for a 7-second faceless reel where I'll only be showing the hook. and the text on screen while an aesthetic video or my own video sipping a coffee as an example will be playing in the background. So this is taking the faceless strategy on account, right? And it gave me response, got it, and it gave me excellent response. What I will do for you every time you send a script, transcript, hook psychology analysis, structure breakdown, why it performed, and then I will convert into 7-second faceless reel script and everything, right? You will get the primary hook, second line, loop strategy, background, caption idea, everything, right? So that's pretty good. So now we will go ahead and reply, and we will paste the transcript that we had, and then we will click on enter. All right, and it will give us the video ideas, the reel ideas, and as you can see, why this reel performed so well. So you understand why exactly that reel did well for her. All right, so this works because super simple, removes overwhelm, anybody, inclusive, low barrier, side hustle, taps into money desired immediately, then it tags extra grand a week, money while you're sleeping, no one has to know, right? So that it analyzes, and now you get the 7-second faceless reel here. So text on screen, this is how people make money while they're sleeping, no face needed. All right, that's a pretty good hook, right? Now you will use stronger money hook if you want, then the content pattern interrupt. So it gave you several options, and I also gave you the background visual ideas in here, that is sipping coffee, perfect like you said, or scrolling on phone in bed, laptop plus dim lighting. You can find any royalty free videos if you want, or you can even generate videos using AI itself, and gives you loop hack. So you see, it gives you everything you need to actually go ahead and create a compelling reel based on the already proven reel that we have entered in here. Alrighty, now we are going to take a look at our next step, which will be from minute 45 105, right? About 60 minutes, and we will call it faceless assembly, right? Most of you, a lot of you here do not want to show your face. I do highly recommend you showing your face because it instantly builds your authority, and people trust people, all right? So if they see someone recommending something or talking about something, the trust factor increases and the chances of you making sales increases quickly. All right, but that doesn't mean that faceless content doesn't work, right? It will take a little bit more time for them to watch your content a little bit more to build that trust factor. So if you choose to go to the faceless way, then you would need the help of tools like Canva or CapCut. You can use your smartphone. That's enough for this, right? You will use simply, so for example, this is your reel, right? So you found the transcript, right? You found your transcript from the about step here. So we'll use that text, right? You use that, the hook and the text, to stop people scrolling, and also in the background there will be some sort of aesthetic video there, maybe even you sipping a cup of coffee and just have the text there on that reel. And you can pump out these sort of reels real quickly, and you don't have to make it more than 7 seconds. 7 seconds is a sweet spot for these kinds of reels. They are proven to work and very easy to create, right? So in 60 minutes you should be able to make like 10 reels easily, even if you're very brand new. So now you have your reels ready. Now it's time for our last step, and that is minutes 45 to 105 is upload and deploy. The reels that you have created, it's time to upload to TikTok. And so once you upload that to TikTok, you can easily upload that to Insta, easily upload that to FB Reels, easily upload that to YouTube Shorts, and even Pinterest. Why not? So you will get eyeballs from one piece of content, right? Imagine these are 10 reels, 10 pieces of content over 4-5 different platforms, even 10 views or 50 views to your reels, right? And 1% conversion, that's 5 clicks to your bio, to your links. And since you are making these 10 reels based on proven concepts, right? Proven concepts that got a lot of views, that went viral or even semi-viral, you will get traffic to your links. Again, to do that, you need to be consistent. You need to show this platform or all this platform that you are serious about this platform, and that way the algorithm of these platforms will push your videos to more people, right? And that's 2 hours. So if you follow this 2 hours routine, the traffic will come, right? Now the question is, if you're spending all your time on this creation phase, that is getting traffic, where are you going to send them, right? You need to have the conversion aspect to actually make money, right? The funnels, the emails, and all such. But remember that we have actually crossed off this conversion thing off of your to-do list. Instead of building those complex funnels, those emails, and even with AI now, if you go and use AI to write those emails and such, you're going to get generic response, generic emails that all the millions of users are getting. Since you don't really know how to converse with AI to get that excellent output, to get these conversions and make this money. So instead of that, you take care of the creation phase, and the conversion phase, you actually need to find something where you can plug and play to a pre-built conversion ecosystem which will make you money. And if you're interested in something like that, if you want to do this thing, if you want to see exactly what it looks like, if you want to discover the automated ecosystem that pulled in about $4,770 in about 10 days, then click that first link in the description. You will see exactly how to make high ticket sales completely on autopilot, right? No chasing friends and family, no sending, awkward DMs, no doing annoying Zoom calls, just a clean automated sales machine. It just does the work, right? So instead of wasting your time on building, working on these tech problems, this is like the 90% of the, reason why people actually quit. Like they spend way more time, like 30 days to get something right, learn something, implement it, make mistakes, then go ahead, learn again. It's a bad cycle, right? If only they just focused on creation and let others take the conversion, then they will be much more successful. So yeah, again, click that first link, take a look at the conversion ecosystem, and I will see you on the inside. Cheers.